Hi guys, I'm Ipsita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to do something different and also I feel like this is the thing I say in every video of mine, but I did not want to make a 5 hour long video again. So I am going to try the 5-minute makeup challenge. I mean, I feel like it's easy to do your makeup in 5 minutes because that's usually what I do every day. But then that's not with a full base on and everything. So we'll see how it goes, and without any further delay, let's get right into it. Okay, so I have put on the timer and I'm going to start it right now. It's going to be somewhere on the screen as well, so you can also see that. But yeah, okay, 1, 2, 3 and go. Okay, so we're going to start with primer first. I'm going to go into L'Oreal Base Magic, just put it on the T-zone because that's where I get really oily. And initially I was planning not to do foundation today, but then I thought what fun will this video be if I don't challenge myself. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus and put stripes of it on my face with the applicator given in it. And I'm going to take this very fluffy brush that I usually use to blend all of my makeup together. I'm going to take that and I'm going to start blending it because I feel like blending a foundation with the brush is a lot faster. I mean, it's not perfect per se. I prefer a blender usually, but I can do my foundation with a brush, and I think we need to do that today because running out of time already. I feel like okay, yeah, 1 minute's gone. Right, now that that's done, I'm going to go into concealer. I'm going to go into the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and just conceal everything a little bit and take my beauty blender and just blend it in. I don't know how much time there is left honestly, but that's okay. And I'm planning on doing a really simple eye look today, so maybe that's gonna help because we have 5 minutes. But usually when I am getting my makeup done in 5 minutes for college or whatever, I am not usually doing eyeshadow and foundation and even concealer for that matter. I throw on some sunscreen and that's it. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to go into powder now, and I'm going to take this very fluffy color bar brush and just set my whole face with this. Sorry. Yeah, so just very quickly, I feel like if the base is decent, you can hide other stuff, but if the base is bad, nothing can look good. So I'm going to spend good 2 minutes of my thing on the base and do the rest of the things in the rest of the time. And right now I'm done with my powder. I'm gonna go into my bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula bronzer. I'm gonna take this very fluffy sort of fan brush and start bronzing my face a little bit. I feel like I've been thinking what this smells like, and I mean, I've heard people say that it smells like vacation. To me, it smells like a marigold biscuit, if you know that's what it is. And that is the funniest thing to me in this world, that it smells like marigold biscuit to me, and people are like, it smells like vacation. I'm like, yeah, it just smells like a biscuit. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done with that. I think my base is decent. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. I mean, I do want to put on some more bronzer, but we can't do that. We don't have time for that. Now we're going to move on to eyes. I'm going to take my very fluffy crease brush and I'm going to dip into these two shades like always, and I'm just going to blend it on my eyes. Okay, I forgot brows, but that's okay, we'll do this after. And I did not want to do a neutral eye look today because I don't know, I feel like I'm challenging myself a lot. I'm just going to take this palette and I think I'm going to dip into the pink shadow, like these two, one and this one, and I'm just going to take it on my finger and put it all over the lid with my finger because that saves a lot of time. And I dipped into the wrong shade. I don't know why my face. Oh god, this is stressful. Right, so that's for the eyes. I'm going to take a fluffy clean blender brush, dip it in a little bit of pink and just blend this out in the crease. And yep, that's it. I'm gonna put on some mascara today. Oh, please. Okay, until my brother does that, I am going to do my brows very quickly. uh, okay. I'm just gonna do my brows and we'll figure out the mascara a little later because it's just not opening up. I feel like it's because we don't have any cooling appliance switched on, and it's like 40 degrees here. Thank you. And both of our hands are like so sweaty, but he finally cracked it. Thank you so much. And yes, I'm done with my brows now, and I'm gonna take the mascara, clean the wand just a little tiny little bit, and okay, so apparently 5 minutes is way too less than I expected, and I just got my brows done and my eyes done and my base done, and I quickly just threw on some lipstick, but I think that was like after the timer like ended, started beeping, whatever. But I guess this is the look. The things that are left that I would have done if I had time was probably, I guess, not much. I'd put on obviously lipstick in a better way and put on some gloss and a little bit of highlight and blush, but I guess we can do without it today because, well, the timer clearly did not want me to do that. I was like in the middle of mascara, and then it's like, I mean, obviously you guys saw it. I don't know if putting on lipstick is cheating. Maybe I should just rub it off. I don't have wipes. Hold on. So yeah, this is the 5 minute look. It does not mean that I cannot do my makeup in 5 minutes. I can. I mean, obviously I would miss like steps like foundation especially, and like, you know, bronzer and stuff, because if I do not put on foundation, I do not look that pale. Usually for 5 minutes it's just like I do it really quick. My things that I do for a 5 minute makeup look are like highlighter, blush, because those two are my absolute requirements, and lips. And if I'm feeling like I've not slept well at all, I'll just put on a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and that is pretty much it. And I do that in 5 minutes. I'm not kidding, because I get ready in 5 minutes for college every day. But yeah, I guess this is the look that we're going for. Honestly, I did not do as bad as I thought, with like the base at least, and there's sweat drops forming on my face right now. But yeah, so this is the makeup look, and well, that was it for this week's video. I feel like this is so short. It took like 6 minutes to film, for 5 minutes of uncut, and then this. I feel like I'm blabbering a lot. I'll just end this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll hopefully do more challenge videos in the future, because I really love doing challenge videos. And I'll see you guys next week on Tuesday at the same time, which is 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. It means a lot. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.